Starting to get some of this mulch out of the way. You can see the old rocks down here. Here's the old concrete paver thingies. Uncovering them. Moving all this crap out of the way. What I'll do is I'll get it all uncovered, and then I'll slide all the mulch back under there and get this to where I can set this thing back down. I'll just get my hands dirty. And then I'll get all the mulch brought back under it after I get this thing in place. Still not going to be perfectly level, but it's going to be a little better. It's not going to be perfectly clean, but we'll just shove a whole bunch of mulch back under here later. Probably pull that piece of plastic down. And I'm just kind of talking to myself while I'm doing this. Don't we all just talk to ourselves? I'm not crazy. At least I don't think so. But that remains to be seen. Hi, kitty. Okay. Now I'll get it over here, set on here, and then I'll turn it on its side, put the drain on. Unfortunately, when I epoxied that damn thing together, I didn't get it completely straight. Oopsie, but it fits. That's all that matters. And it's not in the way of anything. And it did rain a little last night, so there's a little bit of water in this thing. Not much, just like a tiny bit of water. I got these weird white marks that showed up. I have no idea what that's from. I wonder if I can just kind of sand that down. But I really don't really care as long as this thing holds water. And it'll hold water enough to, have a nice view of my backside. Not of my butt, but my back. I think I've made this kind of tight for myself to get in there. So let's move this thing down. There we go, almost there. Okay, definitely need to go that way. And I do actually have some sandstone bricks I can put under here. I think I'll put one right there. That's basically where I'm going to want it. That's pretty level that way. Okay, definitely need to come up on that side. All right, a couple of sandstone pavers. This one might be too thick. This one might be better. I'm going to try the thicker one first. Wonder. No. Not gonna do it. Too thick. Okay, yeah, should have used the thinner one. Throw that over there. What did I put the level? It's over there. Probably still can come up over there. I think I'm going to go see what else I've got and go put one under each side to bring this side up. I don't really want to dig out the stones down beneath there. So that still needs to come up. So I still actually should use the bigger one. Okay. Let's try something. All right, let's go grab another stone. Okay, that looks better. There. Now I got it too high. But if I put something under there, okay, let's take that stone out I put over there, the second stone, and move this one over here. That pretty much works. Wonder if I got any plastic shims to stick under there. Okay, a little more space over there. Okay, little tiny piece of sandstone. Who knows if it'll break it. That still brings it up too high. Hey. Well, now I just moved it, and now there's no rocking. Pretty damn close. Pretty close. I like it. Maybe I should actually mark the spots where I put it with a Sharpie. Gonna flip this thing over, put the drain on, but I need to put the fill in. It's a little concrete pipe. Just gonna stick that right there, mount it to the side with a couple of copper brackets, and then we'll hook the hoses up. But I think I will try to mark the spot where at least I got a couple of these legs. So if it moves on me when I turn it over, at least I can try to get it back in a relatively same spot. It's not going to work very well. Yeah, this is going to suck. Yeah, close enough. All right, over we go. I'm gonna need to go grab some channel locks. Really isn't a good camera angle. Let's grab it so you can see what's going on here. So this just slips on there. You can see it moves around a little bit. I'll get that tightened up. You can see the angle of this thing. I kind of got it a little screwed up. I have a feeling I may have to, I don't know, I should have enough water in there that should work. We'll find out. But at least it's a relatively easy fix. Just go buy some new pieces of pipe. Be right back. It's going to be as good as it's going to be. I don't remember it being that loose though. Oh, I never actually put that on there. Well, I think it's going to be time for Home Depot. Let's go take that apart. Motherfucker. Well, shit. Okay, I got this piece apart. Let's take that off of there. Screw that back in. Put a little tightness on there. I'm going to put this together without glue for now. Could just super glue it, but I'm not going to bother. So I just want to test this thing out. It's going to be cold this weekend. Actually, it's getting cold today. You can see I'm wearing an undershirt right now. Okay, that'll work for now. I have no idea if you can see me. Probably not, because that's aimed up. Let's check what the hell I'm looking at. Hi. That looks good. Screws are brass, probably doesn't matter, just what I had, and it looks good. Give it a few days, and the copper pipe's going to get all what's the word I'm looking for? Patinaed, or some would call it corroded. Probably only need one, but two's going to look better. Yeah, that looks better. You know, with YouTube videos, what is your goal? Are you teaching somebody? Are you trying to teach them something? Are you trying to entertain them? Or are you trying to sell something? Me, I have no idea. Am I teaching you? No. I'm entertaining you with the comedy of things I'm doing. Or you could be learning something, learn not to do what I'm doing. But there we go. All right, let's set this thing back down. I got to move the camera. Come on. Maybe I should just put it back where I had it. You can see the entertainment of me doing this. Should be good enough. Okay. Come back down. Let's see if I end up in the same spot. Close enough. And that sits well. Don't know if you can see me pointing, but I'm not hitting anything. I've got my fill. Got my drain. Actually, no, what is that? That's my fill, the new one. So I need to cut that to size. I need to take off that garden hose adapter because that's what used to be in there. Because now I got a hose barb on there. And I wonder if I can get away without having a hose clamp over here. We'll find out, won't we? Maybe I'll go no hose clamp, or maybe I'll just go to Home Depot. Yeah, we'll see. Let's jump in, see if it wobbles. This thing will definitely not wobble as much. Well, I don't want to get my feet wet. But awesome.